Good day, everyone. You are welcome to class today. This is ESM 101 Piano, and today we'll be taking lesson 7. So on lesson 7 today, we'll be looking at accidentals and key signature. My name is Emmanuel Edet Hadwak, and I am your facilitator. I hope you will enjoy today's class. So at the end of today's class, you should be able to define accidentals, define key signature. You should be able to highlight types and examples of accidentals. You should be able to identify how accidentals affect notes. You should be able to identify accidentals on piano. Let's look at accidentals and key signature. Now, what are accidentals? Accidentals are signs placed immediately to the left of a note to show that the note must be changed in pitch. The main focus of the accidental is to alter the pitch of the note. You must have been heard of tonic solfa before, where we have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Tonic solfa of a scale. Now, if we have, for example, a do, 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 the do can become D. Why? Because of accidental. Naturally, it should be do, but accidentals can turn it to D. So there is a change in that pitch. Also, so. Now, accidentals can turn the saw to Z, so, Z. So, accidentals, what it does, when placed to the left of the note or before the note, it alters the pitch of that note. And we have several examples. We have sharp, we have flat, we have natural, we have double sharp, we have the double flat. So a sharp, for example, will raise a note by a semitone. When we say semitone, we mean a half step. A flat will lower the pitch of a note by a semitone or a half step. A natural will cancel out the effects of either a sharp or a flat. Then we can also have double sharp, we have double flat. A double sharp raises a note by a tone or a whole step. Then a double flat raises a note by, lowers a note by a tone or a whole step. This is how accidentals operate. And these are the different examples we can have. Now, let's look at the sharps, accidentals on the piano keyboard, the sharp. So, when we have a C, the first white key before the two black keys, C, in front of the C, when you're moving to the right, we have our C sharp, then our D, we have our D sharp, then E, F, in front of the F, we have F sharp, we have G, in front of G, we have G sharp, we have A, in front of A, we have A sharp, then B. Then flats on the piano, we have C. Now, when we go to D, D, the left, to the left of D, we have D flat, we have E, then to the left of E, we have E flat, then we have F, then we have G, to the left of G, we have G flat, we have A, to the left of A, we have A flat, we have B, to the left of B, we have B flat. So these are the sharps and flats or accidentals on the piano. Now let's look at the notes we have there. Now the first note we have here is a G sharp. Now when we say G sharp, it means we are going to the right. For sharp, we go to the right, forward to the right. That's the black key in front of the note. Then for the flat, we go to the left, the black key to the back, that's the left. Now this is G sharp. How do we locate it on the keyboard? You go to G, since it's a sharp, you go to the right. So our G sharp is there. Then we have F sharp. So of course, you get to where F is, then to the right of F, the black key in front of F is our F sharp. Then we also have E sharp there. So we go to E, the key next to E will be our E sharp, which is our F. Then let's look at flat. So we have G flat there. So you know flat is always to the left. So we have, you get to G, then you move backward to the left. That's our G flat. It is noted there. Then we have B flat, B flat. So you get to where B is, then move to the left of B. You have our B flat there. Then we have our E flat. You get to our F flat, sorry. You get to F, then you move to the left of F. You will get the F flat. So these are, you can always go through this over and over again to get most of these things properly understood. Now, let's look at the next one. That's our G double flat, which means you go 2 steps. So G double flat, get to G first, then move 2 steps backward. So from G, you get to G flat, then from G flat, you get to F. So that's our G double flat. Our G double flat is F. Now, we have G double sharp. You move 2 steps, that's 2 half steps, that's a tone. So you get to G, then move 2 steps forward. That's from G to G sharp, from G sharp to A. That's our double sharp for G. So we also have G sharp, of course, just half step forward. We have it there. Then we have A flat, half step uh, backward from A. Get our notes there. This is very important. You can go over the video again and again. You understand most of this concept. So a key signature is a set of sharps or flats written at the beginning of the staff in music notation. Now, after your clef symbol, the next thing you see is the key signature, and it depends on the number of sharps or flats that are written there. You can see here we have 3 flats. 3 flats indicate a particular key. So you know what key by number of flats or sharps that are there. Then if there is no sharp or flat there, it tells you that that song is written on C major. So it indicates the key of the music and affects all notes of the same letter name throughout the music, throughout the piece. This example there is a D, a G major. Now, how do we get the key? Now, we follow an acronym. Gold diggers always eat big food. You put a sharp up. From there, you number 1 to 6. So then backwards, you have 1 to 6 too for the flats. So if you know this acronym, it will be easy for you to know the number of sharps each key we have. For example, G major has 1 sharp, D major has 2 sharp, A major has 3 sharp, E major has 4 sharps, B major has 5 sharp, F sharp major has 6 sharp, C sharp major has 7 sharps. Then coming back to the flat, F major has 1 flat, B flat major has 2 flats, E flat major has 3 flats, A flat major has 4 flats, D flat major has 5 flats, G flat major has 6 flats, then C flat major has 7 flats. So this is very important. So you can go over the video again and again to get that done. Now, when we say G major has 1 sharp, now what is the note that is carrying the sharp in G major? It is F. For D major, it is F sharp and C sharp. For A major, it is F sharp, C sharp, G sharp. For E major, F sharp, C sharp, G sharp, and D sharp, and so on and so forth. And this is how the sharps are being arranged when in a song. They are being arranged this way. And if you trace it down to this arrangement, you find out that it follows accordingly. For G major, you find out that the sharp is on line 5, and our line 5 is our F. For D major, the first sharp is on line 5, the second sharp is on space 3, which is our C sharp. So these are things you should also note about key signature. Now let's look at the flat. So for F major has 1 flat, and that flat is B flat. B flat major has 2 flats, and that flat is B flat and E flat. E flat major has 3 flats, and that flat is B flat, E flat, and A flat. A flat major has 4 flats, and that flat is B flat, E flat, A flat, and D flat, and so on and so forth. Now, when you look at the arrangement of these flats, you find out that for F major, check the position where the head of the B is sitting. It's sitting on the 3rd line, and the 3rd line of the treble staff is our B. So also, when you look at B flat major key, you find out that it has 2 flats, The first flat is sitting on the third line, which is our B, and the second flat is sitting on the uh, fourth space, which is our E. So with this, you also know what key or what note is being affected in a song. So thank you very much. We have come to the end of today's class. I hope you enjoyed the class. If you have questions, you can ask your questions in the next class. And it's been nice having you in class today. So thank you and good day.